Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 8, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel, expand it, and find the power saving mode toggle, which for me is right over here. Simply tap on it and, well, you have just enabled the power saving mode. Now if you want to preserve your battery a little bit further past the power saving mode, you can do additional steps. For instance, what you could do is disable location if you're not using it. If you don't need it, disable one of the two options, either Wi-Fi or mobile, and just use one. Bluetooth, if you have it enabled, you can also disable that. NFC, again, you can disable it if you're not using it. And probably the thing that will give you the most amount of battery will be the brightness. So if you are running the device in like full brightness, if you drop it by like half or so, even though you can still see it, I would say fairly okay. This will yield you several hours of additional battery just by dropping the brightness. So fairly nice way to extend your battery life by just simply virtually like no downside to it. Now that being said, once you're done with this mode, power saving mode, meaning simply tap on the toggle once more and this will go back to working normally, the device. And yeah, so that is how you would enable it, disable it, and also how you can extend your battery a little bit further with additional steps. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.